You want to be thinner, you want to be lighter, but it's kind of like you and I like to race cars. If you came to me and said, "Hey, I got these guys, I'm paying thousands of dollars. They're making my race car lighter. They're going to put carbon fiber, I think, in it, something." And they came back to you, and it was like they took out the whole frame. Yes, you want to be thinner, but you want to be thinner from loss of fat. You don't want to be thinner from, 40 to 60% of your muscle, of your loss of weight being from your lean muscle mass, which is critical for longevity.